going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Keep Reet YouTube channel. It's another episode. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We don't really do informational videos, and whether that will be with that, I don't know, but it's along those lines. We have a broken gearbox, the Ford AU Ute and the Pink 32. I broke both of them in the matter of half an hour. The AU Ute, yeah, RB25 turbo gearbox was in both of them, and we broke third gear. So for the RB20 AU Ute, we're going to be building a dog box. You might be asking how I'm going to be doing that. Well, on my left, we have Speetek Racing Dog Box DIY kit that apparently comes with instructions. We've been running his gearboxes in the other two Skylines, bunch of cars, they're epic. Apparently the dog gear one is somewhat DIY. I've never built a gearbox before and I have no idea what I'm doing. Comes with instructions, it can't be that hard, can it? Can't be. Bring you along for the journey, so if you want to get shipped out, you can hit up Speetek. He will send you this exact kit and you can build your own dog box, but very cheap. We've never had any issues with them. We're a big fan. So to help us do it, of course, we got my SP toolbox and my SP rattle gun. Let's have a look at what we've actually got here, because I have no idea. That's the instructions. I think this is like the full kit and caboodle. Billet, shift forks, and...
Ooh, shiny stuff, huh?
Look at that. Stackers, premium. Ooh, they're nice looking stackers too. Oof, there's our center plate. Gold.
I love gold.
Oof, countershaft. Pull gearbox apart, install the new gears, fill with oil. That's all it says.
Easy.
Where's the pictures? Let's pull it apart. All right, Tyler, if I can put this thing together. The easy part's done. Wow. Housing's off. I got no idea, and I'm in over my head, but DIY, that's what we're all about, you know?
First thing first, show us the damage.
Yeah, that was third gear.
Who did that?
I don't know, some hooligan. He's a bit heavy with the left foot, you know?
I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot.
Just gonna try to pull off what I can. I took a video for my reference. This is the last time you see this gearbox ever together again. So I pulled some stuff off the gear set, and then I used our claw puller for one bearing. So I got this kit. It was like 90 bucks, which is all right. And it's pretty cool. It's got like all these different extensions you can put on. Comes with these bearing clamp. You can sort of like set it to whatever length you need. So this is going to allow me to pull some things off. From the manual I'm looking at, you use a puller like this to get a few things off, and then you put it in the press and press other things off. Anyway, we'll see how we go. We'll see how it works. We'll get our SP Tools rattle gun on this thing and send it home. You get the point. I'm going to proceed to tear this down. I'm going to have to put it in our press, and that part will be interesting. SP Tools do a really cool press kit, which I might have to get my hands on. It's got lots of sleeves and yeah. Anyway. Alright, so I've pulled everything off that I can with. Worked quite well. I had to welded some nuts together to make a little coupling to put two male threads together. But yeah, it went pretty smoothly. I had to heat up that one. I have no idea what this does, to be honest. I have no idea what any of this does, but a little bit of heat on that one. She popped right off. The rest of them just came off. Puller. It's time to put it in the press. So that's scary, because this is a bit less forgiving than the old puller. So yeah, anyway, we're about to give the old Autobahn press a good old testing. I don't know, I guess you just push down on that, and apparently you got to push that and that at even rates. Is that supposed to come off? Let me just triple check my manual. I'm scared!
You know what you're doing?
No. Oh, it's a lot freer than I thought it was. Now I have to press this off. Don't think I need to touch any of this. We have a new input shaft, but we do need this big boy. Won't have to press these bearings out because we've got a new center plate, our gold billet one. So I won't need any of that. That's a win. I may need those dowel pins and those bolts, and that's probably it. Gangster. Got it all together. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. We're about to ready to put it into our center plate. Measured my countershaft end float shim and it's bang on. Let's slam it in this center plate. So apparently we heat this center race to about 100 degrees Celsius, which is kind of scary because there's plastic right there.
Hey, going?
G'day, mate. Gonna shoot some new merch soon.
Oh, g'day! Did you know Reet just dropped an insane line of merch called Naz Kane? Ooh, head over to the website, check it out, grab yourself some. This stuff is absolute premium quality. We pride ourselves in the quality of our merch. So head over, grab yourself some. Hopefully we'll be seeing you wearing it at our next event, which is Thursday Night Drifts. And yeah, this stuff's absolutely premium. Get on it before it sells out. Back to the video.
I guess no lube required.
No, it's... Well, I got it hot enough. Man, this is hard.
Oh, man. I guess we be back. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Take the AU for a drive, check out this box, and hopefully it doesn't explode beneath me. So let's do it. Should I check the rego's still current? Shimmy up. Dog box.
That sounds sick.
Stay together, gearbox.
Hey! Wow, not bad, Jesse. That works. Oh, that sounds crispy. Who's going to drive this car next, Jesse?
The next person to drive this will be... Absolutely love our new Speetek Dog Box. As always, been a big fan of these gearboxes for a while now. You've seen it here. Now anyone, any monkey like myself can put one together. So if you do want to buy the kit, it's like the cheapest dog box you'll ever get. Install it yourself, have a go. It's not that bad, just work through the instructions, take your time. And daunting, but surprisingly, not that hard to do. Keen to get this thing back on the track and see if I can break third gear. I highly doubt it, but anyway, thanks for watching.